I'm sure you know the feeling when you try to do everything for your partner, everything to make him or her happy. But at the end of the day, he doesn't even say thank you. He doesn't appreciate it. He doesn't even notice it. Through the years of learning how to have better relationships, I learned that my partner didn't appreciate my efforts because I didn't appreciate my efforts. I didn't respect myself and I wasn't confident enough to stand up for myself. So, how do we get confidence and self esteem? Let's find out in this video. In several previous videos, you mentioned that I have to become more confident and I have to start to respect myself if I want to have better relationships. Yes. What should I do? How do I become more confident? What do you think you should do? Put on some makeup and get high heels? Do you feel comfortable wearing high heels? No. So why on earth do you want to wear them? To impress him? Who? My partner. Okay, so you think if you get validation from your partner, you will feel more confident? Yes. Isn't that the way it goes? It's true that most women think that if I put some makeup on, nice dress and high heels, he will notice me. And then we think that his validation will make us accepted and confident. This is why the beauty industry is booming. But what do you do when you can't wear high heels? Or even worse, if you do wear high heels and he doesn't even notice you. Well, I don't know. Get drunk and go on? Well, darling, don't get drunk. You will not get the confidence you are craving for. I know. The true confidence has to come from inside out. Okay? What do you mean from the inside out? That means that true confidence must come from you. You have to find a way to feel confident even without high heels, nice dress or red lipstick. You have to find a way how to feel confident even if he doesn't notice you. It means you own your confidence. You don't need anyone else to make you feel confident or to prove that you are good enough to allow yourself to feel confident. It is purely your decision. So I can just decide to be confident? That's a new one. Well, yes and no. Just deciding to be confident will not magically turn you in a confident person. However, whether you are confident or not is your decision. Your self-confidence does not depend on external factors, like other people and their opinions. It depends on how you see yourself. Do you mean I don't need my partner to like me to feel confident? Yes, exactly. That's freeing, but at the same time, I would like my partner to like me. What do you think? Does your partner prefer you to be confident or not confident? What is more attractive? Being confident is more attractive. Yes, of course. But if you want to be confident, you have to let go the need of being likable. Okay? Because when you want to be liked, you tend to lose yourself and try to do everything that your partner likes, even if it's not in harmony with you. And when you are not in harmony with yourself, you lose your confidence. Oh my God, this is complicated. I know, let me explain in a different way. So, do you understand that confidence must come from you, from inside out? Yes, I get that. Okay, and how do you become confident from the inside out? I don't know. You have to be in harmony with who you truly are. You have to listen to your inner self and be true to yourself. You have to trust and believe in yourself. Trust and believe in yourself? Well, that sounds beautiful. But how the hell do I do that? I'm not a confident person, let alone believe in myself. Why do you think you don't believe in yourself? Well, I don't know. I don't remember if I ever did. It's just the way it is. Were you confident as a child? No, not exactly. Why? Well, we learn very quickly as children that we have to do what our parents want us to do, or there will be consequences. We need our parents to like us, almost for our survival. So we started to act like our parents wanted us to act. We started to obey and believe in their guidance instead of our natural inner guidance. And in the process of doing so, we lost confidence in ourselves. How do I start to believe in myself? How do I start to trust my inner guidance again? First, you have to let go the need to be likable. You have to let go the fear of not to be liked, the fear that others will not like you or love you. And then you have to find your inner voice again, your inner guidance. Okay, how do I let go of my fears? I let go my fears with a letting go technique. When I feel the fear of not being likable, I just sit with it. I feel it. I don't try to rationalize it or talk myself out of it. I am willing to letting go, but at the same time I just feel it and wait for the fear to lose its power. Every fear eventually loses its power. Okay, how do I find my inner voice? If you practice letting go technique more often and clarify many fears, over time your mind becomes clearer and you begin to feel calmer and more confident. And soon you will be able to hear or more feel your inner voice again, your inner guidance. Okay, so confidence and our self-esteem comes from the ability to believe in ourselves, in our natural inner guidance that we all have. To hear our inner guidance, we have to lose our fear of not being liked by others. So I could say that confidence and self-esteem are the result of letting go of the fear of not being liked by others. The more you let go of that fear, the more confident you feel. Okay, my dear friends, today's video may have been a little confusing for some of you and completely logical for others. What do you think? Where does confidence come from? Do you have your own experience how you changed from insecure person into confident one? I would love to read your story in the comments below. See you next Saturday, and until then, have a nice week.